Hello, everyone! Let me introduce to you today our welding monitoring camera G4 system. First of all, the G4 camera is placed in a special parcel box. We've got it out now. This case is light and portable, so grab and go. First of all, what about the whole system? The first one is the more important G4 camera. You can see it here. Its model is 3CXZKG4U, and its wiring port is a Type-C interface. The entire camera size is not as big as a palm. It's half the size of a palm. And here's a shot of it. There's a protective lens inside. Protective lenses can effectively prevent welding splashes from damaging our lenses themselves. And it's very easy to replace. It's in our system.
There are also complementary protective lenses available for everyone to replace.
If the lens here is stained or damaged, spare lenses can be replaced. And then you can see its connecting cable. This is one of its transmission cables. Distance can be customized. The length is a transmission distance of 5 meters by default. You can directly connect to the computer through the USB port. Then its power adapter, responsible for supplying it with 12 volts of power. This is the mounting bracket for the G4. The mounting bracket is very flexible when it is spread out. It can be clamped on the welding gun through the jaws here, then lock the fixed joint. So it can't move. Then it is fixed to the welding gun through here. In addition, we still give away a warranty card. It's in this warranty card. We can clearly stipulate if there is any damage to the quality. We can guarantee it within 1 year, and some precautions in daily use. Next, I will introduce the links between cables. First of all, after we get the power adapter, here's one. A 220-volt power interface. After we connect it and plug it in, this end is connected to a 220-volt AC power supply. Then this end is responsible for connecting the camera power cord. This power cable, it has 2 ports here. This end interface is connected to the power cord. Then tighten the screws. Okay, now the connection is successful here. Then connect the other end to the G4 power port. Notice there's a little gap there. And there's a little bump there as well. We match it 1 to 1. Insert it into the corresponding interface and tighten it. Okay, the power cord is connected successfully. And then the transmission line. The transmission line also has 2 interfaces. The first one is USB. Then this end is connected to the camera. Just plug this interface directly into it. Okay, then tighten the screws on both sides. Next is the connection between the camera and the mounting bracket. There are 2 fixing screws on the back of the camera and the side of the camera. First of all, let's just pick one at random. Find any interface and tighten the screws. When the joint of the installation bracket is not locked, the angle can be adjusted freely. After we fix the camera on the mounting bracket, we attach this bracket directly to the welding torch. And I'm going to clamp it through here. tighten the screws. So G4 was installed on the welding gun. And then loosen it through here first. You can fine-tune his angle. Let G4 detect the center of the welding wire. Lock after adjustment. When we connect all the lines, after connecting, open our software. You can see the image clearly, but due to the problem of my installation angle here, causes the image to be skewed, so I need to tweak it a little bit. Loosen the joint of the installation bracket, readjust the correct angle, and then tighten the screw. Okay, now you can see that our detection angle is the same as the actual angle. After our image connection is successful, can be found. The image of the software is still relatively blurry. Then we can pass this knob. Adjust the focal length through it. Just dial it. Okay, let's adjust it below. When we dial the knob, the image will become clearer and clearer. It's okay to adjust to a focal length that we actually need. In addition, gain and exposure can adjust the detection brightness of the image according to actual needs. Just adjust it arbitrarily. How did you like it? What do you think of our G4 system? Welcome to comments and exchanges. Thank you very much.